Now, the special effects wizard who could have made millions in Hollywood, instead, he's making dreams come true, one deserving person at a time. As our Victoria Ricano goes in depth.
She's only 10 years old, but little Rachel Yocca is braver than most adults. You see, Rachel was born without a right ear, the result of a rare genetic condition.
I'd like to have an ear so that I can wear my hair up, wear sunglasses and earrings.
But Rachel's life is about to dramatically change. This former CIA master of disguise is about to perform a miracle, and the insider is there for every step.
This is the impression of Rachel's ear. And the way I do this, I sculpt a mirror image. Rachel, I'm gonna put this little ear in place, and that ear goes right there.
Can I take a shower with it?
Well, sure you can. You can take a shower with it on, but you have to take it off when you go to bed at night. Is that okay?
Rachel's first look at her new ear in a moment, but first, the thrilling story of the man behind her transformation. Robert Barron used to create new faces for undercover spies, but now he's using his skills on civilians. You can learn more about him on his website, prosthesis.com. By using paint silicone and an incredible eye for detail, his results are nothing short of miraculous. Just ask Peggy Cree.
It's just a hole.
Peggy was born with a normal nose. Then, starting in 1970s, skin cancer complications took a frightening toll. Before long, her nose had to be removed entirely. The image is shocking.
I'm used to it, but I would much prefer a nose, a prosthetic.
So it's back to Robert Barron and his amazing skills.
She'll be able to go out now at the malls, grocery store, wherever she wants to go. Put it, cradle it in place, just like that.
And now for the big reveal. We're about to see Peggy and Rachel's new faces for the very first time.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
In tears, Peggy still can't believe her eyes.
Look at that. Just look at that.
Now it's Rachel's turn.
Just hold it in place.
Wow, now I have 2 ears.
Tell which side's which.
I can't even tell which side is which.
Okay? Well, you're welcome.
That was absolutely amazing. And did you see that Rachel even pierced her new ear? She wears her hair up too to show it off.